Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best rub rail is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any boat owner looking to protect their vessel from the harsh realities of docking and accidental impacts, ensuring that your cherished craft remains in pristine condition for years to come, thereby safeguarding your investment and enhancing your overall boating experience with unparalleled durability and style. Number 5. WAVESRX PWC Fender Bumper. Are you tired of your jet ski getting scratched every time you dock? Have you tried other fenders that just don't work? We designed the ultimate solution for safe and convenient jet ski docking. Our unique, patented design offers superior horizontal and vertical padding, providing 3 to 5 times more protection than other fenders. This extended contact area prevents them from shifting, ensuring maximum defense against dock rash and scratches. Attaching them is a breeze with secure U-hooks that connect to your PWC's rub rail. The included soft loop and adjustable bungee cord offer flexible and reliable attachment, keeping them firmly in place. We've engineered these fenders for maximum protection with minimal storage needs. Simply fold them to a compact size that easily fits into your jet ski's storage compartment, complete with a free ventilated bag. Engineered for long-term performance in tough marine conditions, these fenders offer quality and innovation you can trust. Plus, they come with a 3-year replacement warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This offers unparalleled protection against dock rash and scratches with its patented design. If you frequently dock in busy areas or are concerned about minor abrasions, this is the solution for you. Its foldable nature also makes it incredibly convenient for storage on your jet ski. What people say. This rub rail is a great addition to my boat, it looks fantastic and provides excellent protection. The installation was straightforward and the rail feels very sturdy and well made. It has held up well against minor impacts and the material seems durable. Number 4. Taco Marine V12-4155 BKA 50-1 Flexible Rub Rail Vinyl Insert. Introducing the Taco Marine Flexible Rub Rail Vinyl Insert, designed for universal fit on your vessel. This soft PVC insert provides a crucial cushioning effect to absorb impacts. Its flexible design ensures it works seamlessly with your existing rub rail system. Experience enhanced protection with its superior impact absorption capabilities. Crafted from durable soft PVC, this insert offers a gentle yet effective cushion. It's built to last and provide reliable performance on the water. Enjoy the convenience of a universal fit, making installation straightforward on a wide range of boats. It's the perfect upgrade for any marine application. This essential component comes conveniently sold in 50-foot lengths. Ensure you have enough for your project with this generous sizing. What we like. This flexible rub rail insert is designed to provide a soft cushion effect, absorbing impacts effectively. If you're looking for a universal fit solution to add a layer of protection and reduce noise from minor bumps, this is a great choice for various boat types. What people say. The rub rail is a great addition to my boat, providing excellent protection against docks and other boats. Installation was straightforward, and the material feels durable and high quality. The design is sleek and complements the boat's appearance while offering practical functionality. Number 3. Vinyl Insert BK 1-1316 by 1-250 foot. Introducing our premium vinyl insert, designed for superior performance. It offers exceptional durability and a perfect fit for your needs. Crafted with the highest standards, this insert ensures long-lasting quality. You can rely on it for demanding applications. Experience unmatched durability with this expertly engineered product. It's built to withstand tough conditions and provide consistent results. Achieve a seamless integration with its precise dimensions. This insert is made to complement your existing setup flawlessly. Get ample coverage with the generous 50-foot length. This provides flexibility and convenience for various projects. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. Its design makes it simple to implement, saving you time and effort. What we like. This vinyl insert is highlighted as best in class for its performance and durability. If you need a reliable, high-quality rub rail insert that comes in a convenient 50-foot length for your boat's protection, this option should be at the top of your list. What people say. This rub rail is a great addition to my boat. It looks fantastic and protects the hull very well. The installation was straightforward, and the material feels very durable. It has held up perfectly through rough waters. Number 2. SuproFlex Vinyl Rub Rail Kit. Introducing the SuproFlex Vinyl Rub Rail Kit. It's designed to provide excellent protection for your boat. Its soft geometric construction offers a cushioning effect, absorbing impacts effectively. This helps keep your vessel safe from damage. Crafted with care and made in the USA, this rub rail ensures lasting quality. You can trust its performance. This kit comes in a sleek black finish with a black insert, adding a touch of style. It's a great addition to any boat. The 70-foot length provides ample coverage for most boats. Installation is straightforward, getting you back on the water quickly. Experience the difference that quality materials and American craftsmanship make. This is a reliable choice for boat owners. What we like. This rub rail kit features a soft geometric construction that excels at absorbing impacts, providing a gentler buffer for your boat. If you prioritize American-made quality and a rub rail that offers superior cushioning for docking and general protection, this is an excellent option. What people say. This rub rail is a great addition to my boat, providing excellent protection against docks and other boats. The installation was straightforward, and the rail feels very sturdy and durable. It has a sleek design that complements the boat's appearance while offering practical functionality. Number 1. Taco Marine V11-9960 WCM60-2 SuproFlex Rub Rail Kit. Introducing the Taco Marine SuproFlex Rub Rail Kit. This premium kit offers superior protection and a sleek finish for your vessel. Crafted in a classic frosty white color, it provides a clean and stylish look that complements any boat design. Its generous 60-foot length is ideal for boats up to 65 feet, ensuring a perfect fit and ample coverage. Made with high-quality materials, this rub rail is built to withstand the harsh marine environment. Experience the quality and reliability of American craftsmanship. This product is proudly made in the USA. What we like. Engineered with SuproFlex technology, this rub rail kit is ideal for boats up to 65 feet, offering robust protection. If you own a mid-sized to larger vessel and are looking for a durable, high-quality rub rail and a clean frosty white finish, this product is designed to meet your needs. What people say. The rub rail is made of high-quality vinyl that is flexible and durable, able to withstand harsh marine environments. Installation was straightforward, with pre-drilled holes making it easy to secure the rail to the boat's hull. The design effectively protects the boat from minor impacts and abrasions, maintaining its aesthetic appeal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.